This Spaza shop thing, what must happen? How many kids must die before full-on action is taken? How many kids must die before full action is taken? Or should other races die first for action to be taken? Because it's still black kids in the hood. Or should kids in the affluent schools and suburbs die first for action to be taken? This is sad. Lives are cut short prematurely over something that could have been prevented, over something that could still be way too late, because I'm one life too late, but now I'm more than 20 lives too late.
2 children aged 7 and 10 are believed to have died yesterday after allegedly consuming snacks purchased from a local Spaza shop in Mamelodi, east of Pretoria. That's according to the parent of one of the deceased children. It's believed that 3 young children became ill hours after consuming the snacks and were rushed to the Steve Biko Academic Hospital. One child died in the early hours of yesterday morning and another passed away last night. The surviving child remains in the intensive care unit in a critical condition. The health department has indicated to SABC News that it cannot comment on the matter until it receives a full report from the hospital after the post-mortem has been conducted.
Okay, so but when hasi iskasheba bana ba yabutu lenna ke na le bana o sheba bana ba yabutu why ho sane ha o tloketse bana ba ka bari but ban ha ba re ke se experting ha ke re ke le shopo ba ba ha se nna fela ha ke tsamaye ndo tsa o reka ntho tseo ke tsamaye shopo ya ha ke tsamaye ke reka dropo ho sane wana ga ha ke that feature when you get it what I must do.
Okay, so all right, so my police did police come to you and talk to you and ask you questions and investigate? Have you spoken to police? No. Have you given them the statement?
No, he doesn't speaking nothing with me. Maybe he's coming step by step. He asking only, this is your shop? Yes, it's my shop. Where is experting? I didn't see them experting. Check it, and then when you get it experting, and then tell me for me. But my shop is already after a lock. No one enter. The police is lock it, and then today morning he check it. He doesn't get it anything. So he leave after that.
Mara wena o re de go fa mapoisa statement go hlalosa le side la gago.
Ke a tlholetsa today or ba tota honna umfile bat statement za shop John o kai ntho tsa rekile o reka homa mona ka Paris o kai come on o bleletse shop man inspector wa tsama o to checka and then company ya Mapuchan ba shutitsi ba ha ba check right but oblela for company this product ijwa and then bajile ijwa bana ba kiena o eng and then ba to check and then ba boleletse
re ke botsa ge ari bue ka di incidents tse dingwe o tlwile a ke re gore nna le bana ba ko Soweto ba shuleng after ba jile di snacks or allegedly after ba jile di snacks so hali tseka di Spaza owners re a bua le a explainela gore bohlokwa ha o latela molao ha o rekisa ntho tsena.
Yeah, mulamu ya mona na wa ke na ke sheba expired date fela wa tseba ha ke
botsa ka ditsala tse colleagues tsa hao di re rekisang go to various places la ra gona are you able guys to speak and engage and talk about the need not to sell expired food?
Yeah, true. That one expiring not for only for those children, for all over. It's not good expiring. How do you sell an expiring? Is when I'm eating me even and what I must do those children is when something happen. Tomorrow I'm selling for who? I'm a black. I'm selling for all black people. I'm staying with the black people. How do I do it? I'm not one day to selling. I'm run from that place and then always with him. When you have a complaint, John, you have the complaint, this one. Immediately when I see them, I'll take it out. When even I didn't see them, that product, you see. Sometimes, it doesn't check always. When you get someone, this is expired. You must take it out immediately, that thing is expired thing. Why? Tomorrow is happen. You have children. You have big people. Not only children eat this thing. Big people, when you drink water, you'll buy this thing,
Okay, we'll talk some more later on, John. Okay. Thank you very much for explaining. So those are some serious developments, serious allegations, but it's another perspective being given by the actual shop owner, which allegedly sold those snacks to those 2 children who died. Well, in summary, Duduzile, Mr. John is saying that he understands that the kids went to the clinic early in the morning, and after that, in the afternoon, that's when they went to his shop to buy those snacks, and he's arguing that it cannot be that those kids could have been killed by the snacks he sold them, because it could have been anything they consume at home. So he still is open to investigations, but also showed us some of the actual snack which allegedly killed those 2 kids. So we'll continue. We'll try to also speak to SAPS to get their sense of how far the report is, how far the case is, so that we know who they have spoken to and who is it that they have not spoken to, because as John said, he has not been approached by SAPS.